Unbox my iHerb order with me. And Nick! Welcome back, Nick.
Thanks.
This will be your third video in a row.
Yeah.
Stunning.
Haven't moved anywhere.
And I was very excited because I've gotten some vitamins and random stuff. And so I thought it'd be so fun if you were here so I can explain these to you. There you go, honey. Have a look inside my box.
Boric acid.
Do you know what that is?
It literally says it on there.
Oh, I was gonna make you guess. So it's a vaginal suppository. Don't worry, I'll make sure to mark this video is not made for children. Do you know what you do with these?
Well, it's a suppository, so I think it's in the name.
It helps to balance your pHs, preferably before bedtime. Third party tested, so did Dean test these?
I don't think they work on James.
Yeah, that's true. Because they can just douche anyway. For vaginal use only, Dean. Not for oral consumption, good to know. So yeah, so they're really good. I've been reading up on this. People seem to love it. And what's her name? Kourtney Kardashian. She has a range of vitamins, and she has the vitamins that are similar, but not suppository. But you pay a bit of a markup if you get the celebrity branded. So I thought I'll just get this one and see how they go. Yeah. That's 60 capsules, 60 servings it says. Are you enjoying being on my channel, honey?
Yes, I am, darling.
So there you go. Good old Push, she's got 60 servings. So she'll be munching those up. Chomping through those. So I got a deal on those. Fuck, if I'm not getting a deal, I'm not there, you know what I mean?
How much do you spend on those?
I don't know, it could have only been 20 bucks or 15, 20 bucks. They're not extremely expensive. What's the next suppository?
Pro Conceal HD Definition. LA Girl.
Yes, I got the LA Girl concealers. This one's in the shade Natural, which is more of my tan shade. And then if you dip your hand inside my box again, you'll be able to see the other one, which is in the shade Porcelain. So that's more of like my current shade. But these, I was trying to just boost up my order to get the free shipping.
Yeah.
And I've tried these before. I used to love these because they're quite creamy and they go on the skin really nice. So that's why I got those two colours. Plus, every time I'm on iHerb, I always put these in my cart.
Well, good thing you got them this time.
So let's put those straight into the concealer drawer with the other 5 concealers that I have. But I am annoyed with one of my concealers at the moment, so. What's next in Dotty's box?
Melatonin. Sleep tablets.
Yeah, so fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer. But Nick just installed blockout blinds. So my sleep has been amazing. I used to wake up a bit foggy and a bit angry. But now I've got blockout blinds.
Yeah. What do you rate your sleep now?
I'd probably rate it like a 9 out of 10. If I had my foam topper, I would get a foam topper maybe 5 to 7 centimetres thick. Because we have a Super King, so it's quite hard to get. But maybe I should get one this month.
Yeah, I think that sounds good. What do you rate your sleep beforehand?
Before, probably like a 4.
Oh.
So I got a new pillow and blockout blinds. But these little gummies, you just take 2 gummies before bedtime. And you said that this doesn't work on you.
Maybe these will work, but yeah, the tablets I got from the doctor didn't do nothing.
Yeah, well there's 90 in here and you've got to take 2 at a time. So that's 45 days straight. So I'm so excited to try them tonight. But see, what happens with me is I have the little face mask and I just put that on and it's like a blinker system. And I just like my mind turns off when it goes dark.
We've got to go to Spotlight and get my pillow.
I thought about that. So maybe when we pick up Violet we'll go to Spotlight.
Yeah, but I've got to go to town.
What for?
For shopping.
Oh, you're taking her today.
Well, I can go tomorrow, but...
No, just do it today.
Okay.
Last product in Dotty's box.
Deferrin gel, adapalapling.
Excellent, honey. So this is Differin gel, and I've been hearing a lot about tretinoin, which is a type of retinol or whatever, but that's prescription only, whereas Differin is another type of retinoid, so it helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and stuff. I think you only meant to use it, it says once daily, but I think you've got to get used to it. Look how tiny this is compared to the box. That's what Dean said.
Actual size.
Yeah, they should have that for like men's personalities. I'm going to include that because it's like a over-the-counter retinoid and reduces the appearance of scarring, because I just realised I can IPL my face.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited. So what I was actually shopping for was, I wanted to get the Differin gel, and then I was like, well, I wanted to try melatonin, and then I was like, oh, well, I'll get the boric acid while I'm there. And then I saw the concealer and I said, it's in the bag.
Yeah. You just went all out.
I'm so excited.
Excellent. I'm glad that you enjoyed everything you got.
Did you enjoy my haul, honey?
Yes, darling.
So, am I doing well on my no-buy?
Yes.
Yeah, because technically it's your money. So technically I'm still on a no-buy, but you really need to fucking work on your spending. Your money goes like water. Takes two to tango.
It does, doesn't it? Perhaps I'll just go buy more Pokemon cards.
No. Oh my god, and just for the record, because I'm going to be editing this today, I'm off to see Sinners at IMAX! Are you excited, honey?
Yes, I am.
I'm so excited, and it's on a 7-story high screen. So I'm going to be seeing it in IMAX. I've never been to IMAX, and we're not too close, are we? We're not going to be too close. We're about 4 back. But I saw this really funny TikTok about what the characters' faces look like in the front row of IMAX, and it's pretty distorted. So hopefully I'm not too close that it distorts.
Fingers crossed.